How to create a drop-down list in Google Sheet. Creating a drop-down list in Google Sheet is simple. Now, first of all, open Google Sheet, and now here all you have to do is tap on the data from the menu bar. Once you tap on the data, a drop-down menu will appear on your screen. From there, select data validation or data validation rules in newer versions. Now, once done so, in the criteria section, tap on the add option available there and make sure to choose drop down, and here type down the options you want to keep in drop down. So here I'm just keeping some fruits name. You can add as much option as you want, but in older versions you will get to see list of items. So make sure to tap on the list of items and enter the list value separated by commas. Now once done, so tap on the next or done option available there at the bottom. Now clicking on the cell will show a drop down list on your Google Sheet. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.